Sheigana nĩ sheigana. Ĩno nĩyo yuma ndũmĩrĩri ya matereba mothe ma taxi rungu rwa kambuni ya Little Cab, Uber na Taxify magĩkaya kũhatĩrĩrĩka wonjoria-inĩ wao. Rĩrĩ nĩ rita rĩa kerĩ mwaka ũyũ matereba maya gũkorwo maigite miro yao thĩ, kĩnene kĩrĩ ndereti ĩgiĩ marĩhi marĩa mamũkagĩra kuma kũrĩ kambuni ici.
Our main concern is that they charge less than 200 shillings per kilometer. We want them to charge at least the way it was before. That is 300, which is minimum, 60 shillings per kilometer, and 4 shillings per minute when you are on the traffic jam.
If you go to a trip of 200 shillings, Uber will take 50 bob, and maybe you have covered 7 kilometers. So you are doing nothing. You are servicing this car, you are the one who is fueling, datas, airtime and everything belongs to me. Uber is just sitting, they're just sitting in their offices waiting for 25%.
Muthia mũrũrũngano wa kinya wabici-inĩ cia gavana wa Nairobi, kuria maranĩirie na munini wa gavana Polycarp Igathe.
And we shall make resolutions on resolving the issue Monday next week. See, 12 noon. You come on 12 noon, I will consult. Locally, we shall consult and we shall also tell you what we think about the solutions you have proposed, and then we shall announce a way forward.
Matereba aya maheanĩte kahinda ka thikũ 60 mateta mao makorwo maiguĩtwo na magathondekwo. Handũ-inĩ ha Kameme TV wonjoria, njĩtagwo Njenga wa Wambui.